YouTube, y'all know what it is, man. Look, check it out. We just got a package in from Fort Worth Barber Supply. I know what it is, and obviously y'all know what it is due to the thumbnail, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Y'all ready for this? Let's get it. All right, so check it out. We got that new. We got the new beSpoke trimmer from Andis. Let's go ahead and unbox this for y'all. beSpoke trimmer, professional, premium GTX blade, wireless charging. Let's check that out right there. Comes with some guards. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Check it out. So we get an envelope in there. Let me see what this envelope says. I don't know if y'all can read that, but it comes with like a little message. Here's to the past century and to the next 100 years of innovation. It's creators like you that have inspired us, blah, 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 blah. I'm not gonna read all that. We got this in here. We got a little Andis card that I'm gonna chunk. We got some stickers that I'm probably not gonna use. Some more stickers. But this is what we came for right here. The hardware. Check that out. Still in the box. Go ahead and take this out for y'all. New trimmer from Andis. Ooh. Now check out that blade. There we go. We got a GTX blade on there. Looks pretty, it looks gapped pretty well. You know what I'm saying? Not too bad. Check it out. A little longer than normal trimmers. Let me grab. So, well, no, it's about the same. Looks longer, but I guess it's because it's a slimmer design. I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna go ahead and, I know I'm supposed to charge this, but I'm gonna go against the grain. We're gonna turn this on right now. Oh, it's dead straight out the box. Boo. Boo, Andis. How dare you? How dare you send me a dead clipper? Well, I can't turn it on for y'all, but check it out. Here it is. Got the GTX blade on there. Nice design. Don't feel too bad in the hand. Actually feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and look at what else comes in this box. So we got two boxes inside the box. There's one of them. So here's the charging cord. And then we got the charging stand. So the charging stand is pretty dope. As you can see, you literally just place this. So right here is what needs to be lined up with this part of the charging stand. You would just place it on there like that and it would charge like that. So the charging stand is pretty dope. Ain't gonna lie, like that. Let's see what else it comes with. So that's it for that box. Let's open up the other box. And then we got, I don't know what this is. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Probably ain't never gonna use that. Got some guards that probably never gonna use either. Got, I'm assuming this is a cam follower, so we're gonna leave that in there. And then we got some oil and a little brush. But that's basically what comes in this box. So once again, here is the beSpoke trimmer from Andis. We got the GTX blade on there. A different style charging stand. I like that they're trying to switch things up. So we're gonna have to put this thing to work today. Obviously, I gotta let it charge because Andis is sending us dead tools. I don't know why, but they're sending us dead tools and dead machines. But we're gonna charge this thing up, and y'all gonna see some clips of me using it. I'm gonna let you know what I think. Let's get it. We're gonna be trying out this new Andis trimmer. Hit it with some oil one time.
So I thought I might just take it back to the source and make sure I understand.
Let's see how this thing balls out, because my client does not get an edge up. So we're gonna see how it balls out first.
Here's what I've discovered about this Christmas mystery.
I don't know if I like this. How do these feel? How do they feel?
Feel good, but I don't feel like it's getting
Like it's strong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely not as good as my instincts that I just got in.
Through the night and don't jump on your bed. Santa comes with sugar plums and hurls them at your head.
They're already pulling, huh? Wow. 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 Maybe they're just not good for like bulk removal. Are you good? Yeah, and this, I don't think these are it, man. I don't think these it. Especially not compared to the new trimmers or any of the trimmers that's been coming out the past couple years. Good try, but maybe it's gonna be back to the drawing board. All right, we're giving this another go. Hey, that crunch sounds good though.
Dear Matilda, another one?
Alright guys, so before I actually start talking about this, I do want to give a huge shout out to my family over there at Fort Worth Barber Supply, fwbarbersupply.com, man. They're the ones that actually sent this out to your boy. I just want to say I greatly appreciate it. And anyone who needs anything barber related, make sure you check them out. That's fwbarbersupply.com. They have all the tools, anything you need for hair products, you know what I'm saying, colognes, all that good stuff. Anything that a barber may need, you can check that out at fwbarbersupply.com. Like I said, man, they got everything. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into talking about this. So I've been using this for about 2 weeks. I only have a couple of clips, and I'm gonna tell you why right here in a minute. So when I first got this trimmer, I ain't gonna lie, man, I was really excited to use this. I was like, man, I like the way it feels in the hand. You know what I'm saying? It felt great to me. Ergonomic wise, it was a go for me. I really liked the way it felt in my hand. Really liked the weight of it, the way the weight distribution is with it. I thought it was gonna be something that was probably gonna be my go-to for a minute. But then once I started using it, it just didn't do it for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, it did bald out, but at certain times it clogged up. And when it comes to lining, it just didn't leave a super, super sharp line. And once again, it did get the job done, but it just wasn't performing the way I wanted it to perform. You know what I'm saying? Now, this is straight out the box. I have not messed with the blade at all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I did not zero gap it at all. I just took it out the box and used it. I know a lot of people say that you have to zero gap your tools to get good performance from them, but I don't believe that, because 90% of my tools now, I don't zero gap. I just use straight out the box, and they work really, really well. But for some reason, man, this just wasn't doing it for me, man. Like, Andis, y'all need to get it together, man. Like, the Revite wasn't really that good, and now this beSpoke trimmer, to me, really isn't that good. Now, like I said earlier in the video, it does get the job done. It can bald out, and it does line up, but it just doesn't leave the sharpest of lines, and it doesn't bald out the way I would like for it to bald out. Now, if I would have zero gapped it, maybe it would have worked a little better, because I believe my boy Cuts by Reggie, y'all make sure to go subscribe to his channel and watch his video on it, because I think he zero gapped his, and he said that it worked better. So without me zero gapping this out the box, I would not recommend this trimmer, you know what I'm saying? Unless maybe you want a trimmer for kids. So maybe you already have a trimmer that's zero gapped and it balds out really, really well. This could be like the in-between the trimmer and the your clipper close. You may be able to use this for that. But honestly, for me, I would just rather pick up another tool. It just wasn't doing it for me. Like I said, once again, I do like the way it felt in my hand. And it's not really loud. I'm gonna turn it on for y'all. As y'all can hear, it's not super loud. It's actually really quiet. I was expecting more from it, especially because it had the GTX blade on it. I was just expecting it to be like the GTX Exos, you know what I'm saying? Like a version of that, maybe, you know, just a little different, but it just didn't do it for me, man. And that's just my personal opinion. Once again, guys, you don't have to take this opinion and run with it. You can do your own thing. If you want to purchase this to try it, you can, but just for me, it's not something that I'm gonna keep in my rotation. But yeah, man, that's basically all I had to say about this trimmer, man. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.